Rohena, and now DTM Prince. With this note, please help me welcome a young, energetic, exuberant, joyful, playful, and soft boy, young boy,
Continue. Stop.
Toastmaster Nijo Johnson, who, as in Kuwait times, this is going to be, I think, is going to be his, being in Kuwait, this is going to be his last time he will be doing as a KMOD. But once he goes to his other country, he will be doing online meeting also. Please help me welcome this young and energetic man with a big applause. Today is going to be our Toastmaster of the Day. Virtual platform over to you, Toastmaster Nijo Johnson.
Thank you, Toastmaster DTM Murli. And hello, audience. How is everybody doing today? Big smiles, at least at the beginning of the meeting. Towards the end of the meeting, you can do whatever you want. So, in the last time that I was TMOD, I gave a talk on Stoicism, and I could see that some of you had attained partial enlightenment because some of you fell asleep. So, I wanted to go on another track and just concentrate on having fun, because what is a Toastmasters meeting without fun? Elena, I hope you can hear me now. Okay, our meeting is going to be very simple. We're just going to play games in two teams. How are the two teams divided? They are divided randomly. If you can look at your chat box, I have sent you the names of the team members in the first team, and the team is going to be Filter Coffee. Team Filter Coffee is going to be led by a young, energetic, soft, playful, cheerful champion, DTM Rajshekhar. DTM Rajshekhar, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. I want you to tell us how you plan to beat Team Cutting Chai.
You know, good evening, Toastmasters. Good evening, Toastmaster of the Day. Good evening, my dear Tamba Talkers and all Toastmasters here of all variety and species. You know that Tamil Nadu is famous for the filter coffee. Making a filter coffee, it is called degree coffee. You know, degree coffee. So we are of the highest degree. Cutting chai ko, we will cut it into small bits and send them home packing. Don't worry. Filter coffee is so strong. I am sure DTM Gayatri will agree with me, who has tasted, the DTM Murli has tasted. Even my competitor, my opposition member, DTM Alifa, has tasted filter coffee. So she herself knows that her cutting chai is nothing but plain insipid water compared to my filter coffee. So don't worry, we are going to win with a big margin. Over to you.
Wow. He has thrown the gauntlet, absolutely. Oof, I would feel insulted. DTM Alifi, I don't know about you. I would feel insulted if I were in your team. I mean, do you even want to reply to this challenge, or I mean, what is your strategy? How are you going to avoid this challenge?
Well, DTM Rajshekhar said that filter coffee is a drink of Tamil Nadu, but let me tell him, cutting chai is the drink of India. So do not underestimate the power of a common man here. We are common man and we will get that. The chai, cutting chai is the drink of the nation. Back to you, Nijo.
Okay. Calculated response. Towards the end of the meeting, we'll see who wins. And by the way, I just need to tell you something. The winning team is going to be going home rich. This is not just a contest for my respect and admiration, which is invaluable in itself. You will also be going rich with something else. Now, what is it? How much money is it? Which Netflix subscription for how many months is it? All that I'm not supposed to reveal because the sponsors are not allowed. But we will have a winning captain speech. And because we can only have one winner, because we want to see which team is going to lose. So without any further ado, we are going to begin with the games. I'll just explain the structure to you very quickly. I have sent you the team names in your chat box. Yeah, everyone can identify which team they're in. Right. How many in team Filter Coffee? Just raise your hand. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically you guys understand. How many in team Cutting Chai? Rohaina, Anand, Alifia, of course. I hope the ones without video are also raising their hands in spirit. Okay, so now we have our teams. The first few games are going to be very simple, something that all of us have played during our childhood. The first game is going to be questions. And who's going to be giving me the answers? The teams, of course. The two captains will nominate 3 members from their teams, 3 members each. And I will ask them a series of quick 10 questions. These will be trivia questions. And if you answer them correctly on the first try, you get 5 points. But if you can't, it passes on to the other team. Oh, by the way, this is a buzzer round. We don't have buzzers. So I have an alternative. The first person out of these 6 people to raise their hand and say, Nijo, you're my inspiration, gets to attempt the question. So, team captain DTM Rajshekhar, are you ready with your nominations?
Yes, I am.
Can you give us your nominations?
Okay, I'm going to send down the strongest champions of my team. The first person I'm going to send down, this is trivia, right? So, Gayatri Ravindran. TTM Gayatri Ravindran. My trump card. Then my second trump card. Yeah, now I have to Kirti Sangvi, second trump card. Third trump card is Farhan. Power, full power. We are going to stamp the cutting chai out of business.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Gayatri, Kriti, and Farhan. My dear scorer, who's going to be assisting me, Sana Fatima, can you please unmute these contestants? Next, we go on to the dashing captain of Team Cutting Chai. Which 3 people has she in mind?
Okay, since this is a buzzer round, the fastest finger first. My bet goes on my teammate, Rohaina, TTM Rohaina. Followed by DTM Anil Lobo.
Okay.
And finally, Toastmaster Henna. Henna, gear up. All 3 of you, good luck.
This challenge is going to be amazing. So, 5 points. We can't see Farhan. Farhan, are you around?
2, 3. Can you repeat? I'm having some connection issues here.
Oh, sorry. It's Rohaina, Anil Lobo, and Henna. Okay. Sana Fatima, can you hear me? Yeah. So you unmuted 7 people in all, right? Including me.
I can't see Farhan.
Farhan is not around. Alifia, DTM Raj, can you give us an alternative?
I give Toastmaster Dinesh.
Toastmaster Dinesh. Okay, you can unmute Toastmaster Dinesh, TM Fatima.
Yes.
Okay, you guys know the rules. I will be reading out the question. At any point of time, if you think you know the answer, raise your hand and say what? You have to say.
I know the answer.
No. That won't count.
Nijo, sorry to interrupt. Rohaina is having issues on listening. She doesn't know the teammates. Can we just give her one more this? Rohaina, please put your hand up. Thumbs up if you don't hear us. If you can hear us.
Fatima, why is Rohaina unmuted? If you can unmute her.
Rohaina already said
I have asked.
She's not able to hear.
Okay, Rohaina, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Please quickly.
Yes.
Okay, great. So we have 7 members unmuted. We'll quickly start the questions. If none of the 6 can answer, it goes to the audience, and the audience can nominate whom they want to give their points to. Audience gets 2 points. So the buzzer is, you raise your hand and you say, Nijo, you're inspiration. You're my inspiration. Without which you will not be allowed to answer.
Inspiration.
Inspiration.
Nice joke. I'll laugh at it later.
Please repeat your sentence. I couldn't listen what you tell.
I think I'll type it in the chat box. People are finding it difficult to believe that such a sentence could be constructed.
If we know the answer, Dinesh ji, we are supposed to say, Nijo, you are my inspiration. Then he will allow us to speak.
Perfect. The principal has spoken. Now we'll move on to the questions, please. Everybody ready? 6 members ready? Question number 1. Name the 5 colors of the Olympic rings. Name the 5 colors of the Olympic rings.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Oh, thanks, Rohaina. But go ahead.
Do I have to confirm with my team or just tell you the answer?
No, just tell me the answer.
Okay. There's red, there is green, there is blue, there is yellow and black.
Perfect.
Right.
You start off. Cutting Chai has opened their account with 5 points. Brilliantly done. Question number 2. Name the biggest island in the world. Name the biggest island in the world.
Nijo, you are my inspiration.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Means a lot coming from you. Go on.
Greenland.
Perfect. Perfect. And a perfect counter reply by team. Oh, that's not a counter reply. That's team Cutting Chai yet again. Wonderful, wonderful. That's 10 points. DTM Raj is tearing his hair in frustration as expected. We will now move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, which city is known as the City of Love? City of Love. Come on. Nobody. 5 more seconds and then we move on to the audience.
Nijo, you are my inspiration.
Oh, not again. Come on. Okay.
Is it Philadelphia, city of brotherly love?
No. So your team can't answer now.
No,
Nijo, you are my inspiration.
Nijo, you're my innovation.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Hina was first.
Henna gets it.
Hina was first.
It is Paris.
Come on.
Insulation.
Henna, go ahead.
It's Paris. City of Love is Paris.
Oh, sorry, I
Hello.
couldn't hear you. I'm so sorry, I lost connection quickly. Henna, what did you say? What
City
is
of
the answer?
Love is Paris.
Paris. Okay. Perfect. So Henna gets 5 points. I'm sorry, Henna, you're from which team? Filter Coffee?
I'm from Cutting Chai.
DTM Raj, do you want to resign right now and avoid further humiliation, or do we continue? I mean, how does it work?
She's from
I'm
Cutting
going
Chai.
home. I'm going home. I'm going
You're
home.
going home. Okay. Looks like he has gone to his happy place mentally. Question number 5. Question number 5. Where are the United Nations headquarters located? Where are the United Nations headquarters located?
Nijo, you are my inspiration.
You're not part of the team, are you?
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Yes, DTM Henna, I know that.
New York.
He's the one.
United States, New York.
Yeah, perfect. Toastmaster Henna earns another 5 points for team Cutting Chai. Looks like we're not Raj Shekhar is going to give up on coffee.
Master Sinha, you are Google searching. Come on the camera.
No.
No. I object.
Oof.
I'm in the kitchen, Dinesh.
It is allowed. Choose your presence of mind.
Okay, carry on. No problem.
Brilliant.
We women, our minds work when we are in the kitchen.
We already have grave allegations flying
Carry
through,
on.
and it was expected when
Can
the
put
prize is so prestigious. This is the annual Khel Kood event organized by Tambo Talkers, and this is controversy, of course, can't stay far away. Question number 6. Name the smallest ocean in the world. Name the smallest ocean in the world.
What?
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Yes, DTM Anil first.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
I know,
Nijo.
Rohana, but just let DTM Anil answer first. Yes, DTM Anil.
Gayatri said.
Is it the Arctic Ocean?
Yes, you are right again. Team Cutting Chai is racing ahead. I don't even know why I'm asking these questions. I could just give away 5 points without even asking these questions. Question number 7. What does BMW stand for? BMW, the brand, car brand. What
You're
does
my
BMW
inspiration.
DTM Anil again with the answer. Go ahead.
It's Bavarian Motor Works.
Motorworks, perfect. Well, we can easily establish that coffee drinkers generally don't have very good.
That's the
There's
coffee.
something in tea that just makes their memory slightly sharp.
No. Coffee drinkers don't bother with the trivia things. We are all into hi-fi profundities.
Well, the common man's drink is winning.
Actually, I think we drink the rasam after the filter coffee. That's why.
Not underestimate the power of the common man.
Yes, do not
I think
underestimate the
some of you
power
are
of the
having
common
audio
man.
issues, so I'll type the question in also, just to be sure. We just have a few questions left. Next question is, which planet in our solar system has the highest amount of gravity? Highest amount of gravity planet in our solar system.
Nijo,
Khatam.
I would like to answer that. You're my innovation, inspiration, stimulation. Can I answer that?
Oh, you're too much. Go ahead, please.
Nijo's disappeared.
No, I can
Nijo.
hear you. Go ahead. I can hear you. Go ahead.
Earth.
Has gone hibernation.
Earth.
Okay.
Earth has got the
Somebody
highest.
please mute Rohina and we can move on. Next. If no answers in 5 seconds, we'll go to the audience.
I just said it. Earth. Hello.
4, 3.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
All right,
Yes, DTM
inspiration.
Anil. Yes, DTM Anil. Go on.
Is it Saturn?
No. Not Saturn.
Nijo, you're my inspiration.
Oh, Kriti, I don't even know you. Okay, but go ahead.
Is it Jupiter?
Perfect. Kriti has opened the accounts for Filter Coffee. Am I right? DTM Raj does a celebratory dance. Very nice to see. Now we will move on to our last question for the first game. The last question is going to be very simple. In which year was the iPhone released? The first iPhone. In which year was the first iPhone released?
2007. 2009. 2007.
Nijo,
please.
let me be your inspiration again.
No.
You be my inspiration.
That's
You're
not
my-
next.
Can I answer
Come
that?
on.
Can I
Yeah,
answer?
you need to press the buzzer first.
Can I? Where I'm pressing the buzzer. Can I answer?
I couldn't hear
Nijo, you are my
Again.
inspiration. 1998.
Yeah,
No, let me
nice
answer
Nice
this.
attempt,
No.
DTM Dinesh.
Nijo,
Yeah.
hear me out. 2002.
No, I couldn't hear your
It
answer.
is 2007.
Somebody give an attempt. 5 seconds and then we go to the audience. 5, 4.
It's not
3.
98.
2,
No,
1.
not that.
Audience.
1. Audience.
Nijo, you are my
Yes.
inspiration.
Please.
It's 2007.
Perfect. Which team do you want to give your 2 points to?
Cutting chai.
I think Filter Coffee.
Filter Coffee. Oh,
Yes.
Neha goes against popular opinion.
Neha, not fair.
I'll catch you after this meeting. तुम मुझे
Yes, exactly.
तुम मुझे
Neha has
meeting
ended
के
up
बाद
meeting-
Rajshekhar sir, please say me.
No more messages from you. No more phone calls from you.
Exactly. Nothing.
Neha, you have ended up making new enemies today, which is, of course, one of the goals one of the things that you'll face in Toastmasters as you take up leadership roles. So get used to it.
It will help you. It will help her.
Yes. Okay. So now we will